Hi guys, it's another one of my videos. It's exactly 2:30 a.m. for me. This is for overhaul. Something numbers, but I didn't leave Fortnite cause like you gifted me and I just ghosted you. I love the Goku black skin you gifted me. It was so nice. I loved it, and I'm really thankful for it. But I love Fortnite cause it used to be 13 plus because it was like a good game, you know. I loved Fortnite. I played it all the time, but then I found out that it's not 17 plus because Fortnite plays with your mind. That's what gets you violent in life. And guess what? I don't want to go on that path of life. In my opinion, you shouldn't go on that path either. It's your choice. But so if I log on, you're lucky. I guess that's probably my only day. My mom said when I get older I could play, maybe in a year, 2 years, I don't know. But I didn't leave you overhaul because you gifted me and stuff. It was because I'm thankful for you gifting me Goku Black Bundle, and I'm really happy for all my other friends. But I just had to. I didn't want to go on that path of life. So if you're watching this overhaul, aka Ibrahim, then yeah, this is for you. Thank you much.